Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do sound settings in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. There are various sounds in your phone. So if you want to control those sounds, you can do it. For that, first go to the settings in your phone here and click on sound. Okay, here use volume button to adjust. Okay, click on it and you can keep on ringtone. So volume button will act for increasing or decreasing ringtone only. Okay, it will not adjust for the media. Okay, it is better to keep in media. Okay, then there are various sounds, other sounds and vibrations. Here, tile bed tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screen capture tone, media sent is sound, etc. are available. Just if you want to turn off tile pad tones, turn off this button. If you don't want screen locking sound, turn off here. If you don't want touch sounds, turn off this button. Charging sounds, similarly screen captures sound, that is tone, message send tone. Okay, so if you turn off all these and you will have no sound while typing in your keyboard, or if you are charging your phone, or if you are putting a screen lock like this, and if you capture something on the screen, if you send message, etc. Okay, so these are all the sound settings, and if you really want to set it, just turn on, otherwise turn it off. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.